Welcome to AppStarGraph. There are many background removal services online. AI can do it effectively and efficiently, but they limit you in some ways. If you use Canva, no need to go anywhere else. We have an amazing option to remove background here. It's efficient and I love it. On Canva, you can do a lot more than just remove background. Look at this. How cool and instant that was. Just select the image and click BG remove option from top bar. Just like that. After that, you can click share button. Select PNG from file type options, check transparent background option and hit download button to download it in PC. Here are those images without background. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.